Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. In this video we're going to be looking at how to half double crochet two together, which is the decrease stitch for half double crochet. So we're going to be working into the next two stitches and we're basically going to combine those to make one stitch. So we'll begin by yarning over, and then we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch space. We're going to yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. We're then going to go into the next stitch space, yarn over, and pull through. Now you'll have 4 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 4. So again, what we're doing here is we're taking the base of 2 stitches and then we're combining it and we're giving it 1 stitch top. And so that just creates a decrease in the number of stitches you have in the row or round that you're working on. For every decrease worked, you're subtracting 1 stitch. So now let's look at that again and we'll slow it down just so that you guys can get a really clear view of what it is that we're doing. We begin the stitch as usual by yarning over. We then insert our hook into the next stitch space. We're going to then yarn over and pull through. That's going to leave 3 loops on the hook. We're then going to go directly into the next stitch space. So we're going to insert our hook, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through. That will leave us with 4 loops on the hook. And then finally we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through those 4 loops to complete the stitch. Alright, so that's it for this quick tutorial. If you have any questions about how to work this stitch, please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!